What's up guys, Jack here, and welcome back to the channel for another 2-minute tech tutorial. So recently I've been dealing with this really annoying problem with my wired headphones. This is a pair of Bear Dynamic DT900 Pro X headphones, and I've been getting some interference from a nearby radio tower that varies anywhere from a little bit of static all the way to a full-on country song. So if you guys are experiencing a similar problem with your wired headphones, I'm gonna show you guys a quick fix for this problem. This little thing right here is called a ferrite choke. I got a 20-pack of these on Amazon for about 10 bucks. The material inside of here is called ferrite, and when placed around a cord, it creates a magnetic field that blocks any radio interference. So let's go over to the desk and I'll show you guys how to set these up. Okay, so this pack of ferrite chokes I ordered was 10 bucks and had a bag of about 20 of them. And they came in a couple sizes here to fit different size cables. So one of the biggest points of interference is right next to the output of the device. So you're just gonna wanna clip one as close to your headphones as possible. And then on the actual cable end, you're gonna wanna go ahead and clip another one. I got a larger one here and just wrapped it 3 or 4 times. Clip that together. Each of these wraps is gonna multiply the amount of impedance that the ferrite choke will provide. And then I can just go ahead and plug this end into my audio interface. I probably saw improvements of 90% or more just with this simple fix, so give this a shot if you're experiencing the same issues as me. So that was my tutorial for blocking out radio interference in your wired headphones with a ferrite choke. If you guys want to learn a little bit more about how this actually works, there's a video I'll link below by a guy named Paul McGowan, who made a great breakdown of how ferrite chokes block out RFI. If you're still experiencing a little bit of interference, you can try placing a couple more of these on either end of your device. But that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.